Does your beautiful home filled with years of cherished memories feel like it's becoming too much to maintain? Maybe you've been thinking about simplifying your life and moving to a home that's easier to manage, one without stairs, where you can truly relax and enjoy your time. The process of downsizing can feel overwhelming, from decluttering decades of possessions to finding a home that fits your needs and navigating your emotions of letting go of your family home. It's a lot to handle. But here's the good news. You don't have to do this alone. I'm Julie Sapien, a licensed realtor in Minnesota with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and an eXp Luxury certified agent. This certification allows me to offer so much more than the average realtor. With exclusive access to advanced marketing and advertising tools, I can showcase your luxury property to affluent buyers, not just locally, but internationally and across the United States. So what this means to you is your home will be highlighted to over 90 global media platforms, including prestigious outlets like the Wall Street Journal, Robb Report, and Mansion Global. This means that we can attract high net worth buyers from markets where the average price point is significantly higher than Minnesota's, potentially bringing in higher offers and maximizing your home's value. In addition to this unparalleled exposure, I offer a concierge level service that handles all the details, from connecting you with trusted professionals to help with decluttering, to finding the perfect home that meets your needs, to coordinating your move and ensuring everything runs seamlessly. I'm here to make this entire process as stress-free as possible for you. Imagine waking up in a home that's perfectly designed for your lifestyle. No stairs to worry about, no overwhelming maintenance, just the freedom to enjoy your retirement and the things that matter most to you. If this sounds like a solution that you've been looking for, I'd love to help. Give me a call today at 763-257-7231 or email julie@vikingshomes.com to schedule a no-pressure consultation. Together, we'll create a plan to market your home to the right buyers, secure the best outcome, and make your transition seamless. I'm Julie Sapien with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I am committed to helping you start this exciting new chapter in your life.